Hi everyone, this is Ara from English for Everyone, and today in this video I am going to talk about this expression, this saying in English, and that is charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. This is mainly said to advise people to do their best first for their own needs, for their own family, friends and surroundings, okay? This is said mainly when someone is taking care of someone or a cause or an event or something that is from outside his own family or his circle. Instead of taking care of his own, the person is taking care of, instead of taking care of his own children, is taking care of some others' children. In this case, we advise them and we tell them not to do this and pay more attention to their own family, spend their money to their own family, or the other thing, compared to other family. So the money or the attention or the love or whatever is their responsibility is to spend those for their own family first. And that is not always the family. Sometimes we are comparing to groups of people, for example, your city mates, okay, people in your city compared to ones in other city, or your country mates, people from your race or from your own, I don't mean racism, but from your own country, your own language, okay, speaking the same language rather than the ones that are strangers to you. So if you do something good to your family, then you can move on to others, to other people and to people from other countries. But if you work the way round, it might not work the same way. It would not work the same way. So this is to advise people to be more considerate of their own family, their own friends, their own surroundings. And it's not always about people. It can be about, when we say home, we mean people at home, but it might really mean home, okay? Charity begins at home. We mean, okay, if you want to do the decorations, okay, do your home first, then help others, maybe. Or if you want to change the car, change your own car first and then help others. You know, so it's not always about people. It might be about a cause, it might be about a building, or publishing a book or something like this. So if you've got a book to publish and you're working day and night for another book to get published which is not yours, then you might hear this. People will tell you, charity begins at home. Take care of yourself first, and then will have the chance to help others. Okay, so this is what it means. I'm sure you have something like this in your language, but I don't know what that is. Would you please comment it below the video so that we have a collection of such a thing, see what it is in your language, okay? Alright, now let's look at the examples. I don't think our church should worry so much about a foreign relief fund when there are people in need right here in our city. Charity begins at home. Okay, so this is someone advising or thinking of their church that is not doing the right thing because it's doing something for a foreign relief fund. That is something that the church is doing and not being considered, or not considering people in need in the same city. Okay, so we mainly think that this is better if we start building from center, from where we are, starting from ourselves, and then people surrounding us, and then with the help of them you can help a wider range of people, or let's say area. Okay, so this is maybe that should be this. The person also has the same idea. Alright, now let's look at this example. If you really want to make the world a better place, start by being polite to your family. Charity begins at home. So here you can see that charity doesn't mean helping, giving money this way. Even being polite is considered charity, and that should start from home, and home here is the family. So being polite begins by being polite to your family. Okay, so we are advising the person, we are telling the person to be polite to his family, his own family, and then he can start changing the word. Okay, so if you want the world to be a better place, make your home a better place first. Okay, so this is where we use this expression. You might have good examples for me. I'll be glad if you comment down below this video and let me check them. Okay, thank you for your help, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.